Hello and welcome to my new project. So, after having learned about LLM fundamentals, I went ahead and created my own Jarvis. So, as you may know, what is Jarvis from the Iron Man movies? It is a uh, AI assistant, voice-based AI assistant. So, I created this Jarvis by uh, integrating many tools like calculator, then calendar, then Gmail, then search, weather, all these APIs, tools. So basically, LLM orchestrates all these tools as per the query. Whatever query you provide, LLM figure outs the use case and triggers the relevant correct tool. So let's start with the demo. Right. So what I did is I loaded my LLM model, which is the Qwen model. So let me just show you what command I started with. So this is a llama.cpp. This is an inference engine, and it is using Llama server, and it's loading this model Qwen 3 4 billion parameter with Q4 quantization. So Q4 means zero point 0.5 bytes. So 4 billions means 4 into 0.5 is 2 bytes. 2 billion parameters. So that means it will take 2 GB of memory in the RAM. And this 8192 is the context window. This. Okay. So after hitting enter, this is started, and this is now connected to the large language model, and it's serving on this local host. So I have integrated all these tools and queries to be routed through here using this local server so that it hits the LLM API. All right then. So let's start with the demo. So when I run this script, it's a wake word. Uh, it will hear for the wake word. So for Hey Jarvis, then it will start listening. Hey Jarvis,
Yes, Uday.
explain in 2 sentences how a local first AI assistant protects privacy. So now it's transcribing. It took quite some time because obviously the model is quite small.
Uday, a local first AI assistant protects privacy by processing data on the device itself, never sending it to the cloud. This ensures user information remains confidential and is not stored or shared outside the device.
So you see, I asked the large language model to explain to me the privacy for the local model. So what it did is it routed my request to an external search API tool, and then it extracted the text from there, and then it converted to speech to text, and then it narrated it to me. Then let's test the calculator. Hey Jarvis,
Yes, Uday.
calculate 25 multiplied by 47. So for transcribing, I am using faster whisper turbo mode.
2547 equals 1175.
Correct. Then let's demo the date one. So, hey Jarvis,
Yes, Uday.
what is today's date?
Today's date is the 11th of June, 2026, Uday.
Then I have also implemented in it persistent memory, since without the memory, an agent is nothing but a dead robot. So memory is important as it helps in determining the context. So let me say that. Hey Jarvis,
Yes, Uday.
remember that my demo project is Jarvis Local AI.
I've remembered that your demo project is Jarvis Local AI Uday.
Okay, so now it has saved this information, my memory, in its database. And whenever I ask anything related to it, it will fetch the memory and answer. So I ask Jarvis, hey Jarvis, hey Jarvis,
Yes, Uday.
what is my demo project?
Your demo project is Jarvis Local. Yes, Uday.
Okay, so it extracted the information and then displayed it. Then it can also create notes. So if I say save a note title demo checklist, and it will then save it in the uh, file system as a text file and append the nodes to it. And it can also search the existing nodes for the any agent flow.
You're describing how the Jarvis local AI can handle information extraction, display, create nodes, save them as text files in the file system, and append nodes to existing files. Let me know if you'd like to refine or expand on this description.
That was funny. So Jarvis was listening. Then weather. I have integrated the Open Weather API, the free version, so that I can ask weather of any city, country from anywhere. Hey Jarvis,
Yes, Uday.
what is the current weather in Noida?
The current weather in Noida, in is broken clouds, 35 degrees Celsius, feels like 34 degrees Celsius, with 29% humidity and wind at 6.9 ms Uday.
Okay, so it understood the city I was in, as I had saved my city in the in its memory earlier. So even if it's set order, so it fetch the weather for Noida. And then if I ask a follow up, like without specifying the city, it will automatically know that this I am asking about for current city for this week. Hey Jarvis,
Yes, Uday.
what about this week?
5-day forecast for Noida, in Uday. Thursday, the 11th of June. Light rain, 34 to 34 degrees Celsius.
Took the
Rain chance,
this week's
100%.
forecast
Friday, the 12th of June.
with the
Light
context.
rain,
Hey
33 to
Jarvis,
43 degrees Celsius.
hey
Rain
Jarvis,
chance, 89%. Saturday, the 13th of June.
hey Jarvis,
Broken clouds, 29 to 40 degrees Celsius.
hey Jarvis.
Rain chance, 100%. Sunday, the 14th of June. Broken clouds,
Hey
32 to
Jarvis,
42 degrees Celsius. Rain
Jarvis,
chance, 100%.
hey Jarvis.
Monday, the 15th of June. Overcast clouds, 31 to 41 degrees Celsius. Rain chance, 100%.
So the interruption is not quite working as expected. I will check this. Then I have also integrated live web search and news. So if I want to hear any updates in the on the latest news, I can just talk to Jarvis and it can summarize me the latest news. So hey Jarvis, hey Jarvis,
Yes, Uday.
find the latest AI news and summarize the three most important updates. So it understood that I wanted to search the web, and it will then now route the tool to the search tool, web search API. So it will find it, and the LLM will give us a summarize. It will summarize the long text.
The latest AI news includes the 2026 AI roadmap with major developments in AI, including the IPOs of major companies like SpaceXA, Google, Anthropic, and Apple. Additionally, Genesum AI debuts
Hey
at ICRA
Jarvis.
2026 with a full-stack embodied intelligence system,
Hey
and
Jarvis.
Apple announces new AI-powered Siri features and
Hey
updates
Jarvis.
to iOS 27 and Apple Intelligence at WWDC
Jarvis.
2026. Yes, Uday?
Analyze the GitHub repository UG2454 black hole. Need some fine tuning in the wake word interruption. So now I have also integrated the GitHub API, so I can ask anything about my repositories, open issues, description, summarize, open pull requests.
Purpose. Black Hole is an AI-driven test management system, TMS, designed to streamline test case creation, normalization, and analysis. Its primary goal is to provide a centralized platform for managing test cases, integrating AI for automation, and offering analytics to improve test efficiency and quality. Main capabilities: AI-assisted test case normalization cleans and standardizes test data from Excel CSV files. Auto coverage mapping
Hey
identifies test case
Jarvis,
components. Yes, Uday?
what is on my calendar today? So I have also integrated the Google Calendar APIs, so I can even schedule any event. I can just say that schedule any event for this time for this duration, and it will do it. Isn't it handy? See,
Calendar agenda from 2026 to 2006-11. 2026 to 2006-11 task. Fill timesheet.
hey Jarvis,
Yes, Uday?
schedule a Jarvis demo follow up today at 12 p.m. for 30 minutes.
Scheduled Jarvis demo. Yes, Uday.
So let's see. Today, 12 p.m. Voila. And it created the schedule. Awesome. Thanks, Jarvis. Shh, it's listening.
Calendar agenda from 2026 to 2006-11. Thursday, the 11th of June at 12 p.m. Jarvis demo follow-up. 2026 to 2006-11 task. Fill timesheet.
So it can even read my, show my latest unread emails. So I can say, hey, Jarvis,
Yes, Uday.
show my latest 5 unread emails. It mistook 5 for 500. Hey, Jarvis. Hey, Jarvis. Hey, Jarvis. Hey, Jarvis.
Yes, Uday.
Show my latest 5 emails. I see. It caught unread as 100. Lol.
I found 5 messages. Message 1 from instahigh.com. Subject: Infosys recently viewed your
So
profile.
as you can
Got
see,
hired.
it
Message 2 from
fetched my
United Store.
latest 5 emails.
Subject:
Hey,
Watch
Jarvis.
International Reds in style. Message 3
Hey,
from
hey,
LinkedIn.
hey, Jarvis.
Subject: Uday, your application was sent to Times Internet.
Hey, Jarvis.
Message 4 from LinkedIn.
Jarvis.
Subject: Uday, your application was sent to Airtel Payments Bank. Message 5 from LinkedIn. Subject: Uday, your
Hey,
application
Jarvis.
was sent to RELQ Technologies.
This is a job fetching season, so you may understand. And it can even draft an email for me. So I can say, hey, Jarvis. Hey, Jarvis.
Yes, Uday.
Draft an email to test@example.com with subject Jarvis demo and body the local AI assistant demo is complete.
Created Gmail draft R316429 5740194850735 to test at example.com with subject Jarvis demo Uday.
Okay, let's test drafts, and voila, you see, it even created the draft. I don't even have to open Gmail now. Very cool, very cool. This is the one. And now it can even search my documents. So I have implemented RAG in my local folder. So all the documents got chunked and saved into the Chroma DB, and now the LLM can search using vectors. So, hey Jarvis,
Yes, Uday.
search my local documents for API automation and summarize the main points.
Based on the provided documents, here is a summary of your experience with API automation. You have 8 years of experience in API automation with expertise in REST API testing, gRPC testing, and microservices validation. You are proficient in tools such as REST Assured, Postman, and Python for API testing. UDEGARG resume updated 1 PDF page 11. You have developed scalable automation frameworks for healthcare microservices, including Python-based gRPC and REST API automation frameworks. UDEGARG resume updated 1. PDF page 12. You have automated 5,000 plus backend and integration test cases across 40 microservices, covering gRPC APIs.
Hey Jarvis,
Yes, Uday. I couldn't hear a request.
so for the final demo, I will consolidate a one big query, and it will use all maximum 5 agent steps to create to pass data from one tool into another and finish the task. So here it goes. Hey Jarvis, hey Jarvis, hey Jarvis.
Yes, Uday.
Check today's weather in Noida. Find the latest AI news. List open issues in UG 2454 black hole. Search my local documents for API automation. Then save all results as a note titled Jarvis Daily Briefing. Hey Jarvis,
Yes, Uday.
check for today's weather, find the latest AI news, list open issues in UG2454 black hole, search my local documents for API automation, then save all results as a note titled Jarvis Daily Briefing.
The completed agent run has been processed successfully. The following results were generated. Step 1. The current weather in Noida. In is broken clouds, 35 degrees Celsius, feels like 34 degrees Celsius, with 29% humidity and wind at 6.9 ms Uday. Step 2. The latest AI news highlights the 2026 AI roadmap with major developments, including $3 trillion AI IPOs, major developer conferences like WWDC 2026, and Apple's new Siri AI and Apple Intelligence. Apple also announced new features like AI integration in messages, mail, and photos, as well as enhanced security in operating systems. VivaTech 2026 is expected to focus on enterprise AI, emphasizing integration into corporate environments and regulatory compliance. Sources: ARD number 93, WWDC 2026 recap, Apple's AI era, and why enterprise AI will be the key theme of VivaTech 2026. Step 3. There are no open issues in UG 2454/black hole Uday. Step 4. The search for API automation experience found extensive experience in developing and maintaining automation frameworks for various types of APIs, including REST and gRPC. The resume details include work on automating 5,000 plus backend and integration test cases across 40 microservices, proficiency in tools such as Selenium, Playwright, Java. Yes, Uday?
Show note number 6.
6. Jarvis Daily Briefing. The current weather in Noida. In is broken clouds, 35 degrees Celsius,
Hey
feels like
Jarvis.
34 degrees Celsius, with 29%
Hey,
humidity
hey
and wind at
Jarvis.
6.9 ms Uday. The
Jarvis.
latest AI news highlights the
Hey Jarvis.
2020. Yes.
So as you can see, it uh, followed my instructions and did all these steps one by one, uh, as a whole. and then it saved all those results inside a note, and then I could also see the note here. All right, so this was my project of making an LLM fully offline AI voice assistant. Now then, excuse me while I achieve my dream of becoming Tony Stark. Adios. Adios.